So anybody who's searching for a way out, there is a way out. And his name is Jesus Christ. He saved me from crack addiction. He saved me from prostitution. And he wants to save you from whatever you're going through tonight. And I believe that by faith. I curse every demon from hell that would try to steal your way, that would try to steal your truth from you. And the truth is Jesus. And I rebuke the devil that wants to tell you any different. And I just want to read this to you tonight. Encourage you wherever you're struggling, that Jesus Christ has made a way and provision for you tonight. Jesus said it's finished, slaughtered the hindrance, killed the interference, the one and only that made a difference. So anyone's life that's dramatic, to the depressed one, to the addict, to every individual who just follows life's rituals, works all day and comes home, friends all around but still feel alone, to the one who don't know sovereignty, rich money-wise but his spirit lives in poverty, to the one who don't know what it means to be forgiven, runs place to place to hide from the life that you're living, to the one that has never met grace, seems like since you were young all your faults have been thrown in your face, to the one that is searching for peace. As a young teen, your mother was announced deceased. To the one who's never met compassion, there's a healer for the pain that you're stashing. To the one who turns your back on truth because all the lies you got to feeling like nothing's real. You would do anything to change the way that you feel. And to the one who can't find kindness, so your heart's so hard, you were abused, accused, molested, and beat the last time you put down your guard. To the one and to the world that is just so dark, to every single home, bar, each hotel room, to the last part, to all the men and ladies, it's not your purpose to burn in Hades. God has prepared a way for his son. He came, died, resurrected, again he shall come. He loves us all, not just some. So it's our choice to be still and pray, not to live our free will, thinking it will be okay. To everyone, my heart is twisting, hoping and praying someone's listening. He was murdered beyond recognition. He's waiting to set you free from your affliction. There's no restriction. This is one thing that is for certain. He has carried your burden. Jesus Christ has torn the curtain. So you will find him if you are obviously searching.